It's winter time now, and now we got a new segment of the whatever this Too Cool Chris YouTube channel. Well, my $500 Pontiac that blew a power steering line fire up in the snow. It's 26 degrees out, and this exhaust is broken in such a way that I burned a hole through power steering line. I just stepped on the tire. The door opened, and there's power. Let's hear it. She did it! It's kind of bad for a cold engine, though. She did it. Oh, she can move. I can't even roll down the window. I can't even see anything. I'm gonna just park her. She does not like the snow. Well, she runs. I might clean her off and drive her a little. I don't have power steering. That's great. Cheap Pontiac. Oh, I see what happened. She does not like to drive in this weather.